Flowers still on the counter, sun through the window blinds, pots popping on the stove like they can keep the time. Country music flows in from the front porch. Her boys are getting in tone. Every scent, every song just feels like coming home. Stories in the steam, sweet love in every bite. That kitchen smelled like heaven and always felt just right. Oh, I still taste those morning pancakes, sweet maple on my tongue in Grandma's kitchen, where time moves slow, where nothing could go wrong. The old clock just kept ticking, so quiet and so true, like it knew there was nothing left for a soul to prove. I trade this frantic chasing, all the money and the fame, just for one more supper, to hear her call my name. Yeah, I still remember her chocolate gravy, and I still feel her love in every sunlit room. Red checkered curtains, a faded prayer on the wall, a chipped jar of buttons, family pictures down the hall. She'd say, "Sit, child, you've been working way too much," then pass the cornbread like a blessing, with a gentle knowing touch. She saw through every fib, knew when my spirit felt low. Didn't need to say a word, just let the sweet tea flow. Every broken bone, every scraped up knee found healing there, in a house built on pure love and homemade tender care. Oh, I still remember Thanksgiving turkey, a feast beneath the light in Grandma's kitchen, where time moves slow, where everything felt right. The world keeps spinning faster, too much rush, too many demands, but I'd trade it all for one more laugh, or holding her warm hands. Yeah, I still remember her pumpkin rolls, and I still feel her love in every spoonful, in every room. Now the table's empty and the stove is cold and still, but I keep that kitchen magic deep within my soul. Every whisper secret, every kiss upon a scar is a sacred silent hymn, no matter how far. Oh, I still dream of Christmas dinner, the brightest stars above in Grandma's kitchen, steeped in timeless, endless love. The world may keep on spinning, pulling hard and fast and new, but her memory wraps around me, holding me like golden glue. Yeah, I still remember her chocolate gravy, and every time I close my eyes so tight, I'm walking back in Grandma's kitchen, where her love will never die. Her love will never die. Back in Grandma's